Good morning, guys. So we've just singing along to Atomic Kitten in the car. We've just left Barney, sad face, but we're heading up to the north of the island to go to the Sheraton Resort. So I'm excited to see what it's like up there. I can't. We drove past it because it's like near the airport, so yeah, it'll be nice to do a little bit of exploring. We're only there for one night. So we have just arrived at the Sheraton. We're just sat drinking coconuts. This is a massive resort. Like, I didn't realise how big it was. They gave us this map and I was like, whoa, there's like 2 pools and yeah, just so much on. It's like a really family friendly hotel as well. They've got like a kids club and stuff, which Lena's excited.
I'm quite excited. I've worked for kids clubs for a couple of years now.
So you're gonna,
so I'm really intrigued to see the difference.
Yeah, we've got like a cooking class as well later, so we're gonna cook our own dinner. It'll be interesting.
Our own pad thai.
Yeah. Pad thai. So we've just got to our room and I thought I'd give you a room tour before it gets hella messy in here. So we have I'm saying about myself because my suitcase just seems to explode. We have a yellow tiled bathroom, another another bath to room situation, our favourite, so we can communicate whilst one's in the bath and one's in the bedroom. This is what it looks like. Massive shower, cute little thing on the wall over there, massive mirror. And then into the room we've got a huge bed, oh look, kids club. And yeah, desk, sofa, and then here is the balcony. Got 2 little seats and a view of the pool. Look how beautiful this view is.
This is pretty
wow. Cool. Oh my goodness me. Looks amazing. Look at that pool, it's so quiet as well. Look at these statues. Hey. So we are just heading out to get some tampons. T-A-M-P-O-N. The Sheraton is on Chaweng Beach. I think I said that right, I'm not sure. But it's like one of the more touristy areas. Literally, we've gone from one extreme to the other. We're now walking down a really busy road. But there's loads of restaurants, like literally, you just walk out the hotel and there's a whole strip of restaurants. So maybe we'll grab some lunch as well, I don't know, because we're doing a cooking class at 5, which is only 2 hours time, so you could just get some noodles from 7-Eleven. Bring tampons with you because in these countries they mainly just use pads like that. They've got
which is what I normally use at home.
Yeah, which is what you use, but you didn't think about the swimming situation. Prawn balls I had on the first day, they were okay, but
I love them.
they have Pokemon cards attached to them. Literally our childhood.
Wait. We went for this packet.
We're just walking down to the beach and how cute is this little waterfall feature? There's a waterfall up there and they have koi fish in there. This is so beautiful. There's more. There's more. Oh, we made it to the beach. Look how beautiful it is. So this is Chaweng Beach. So we've come to the restaurant for our cooking lesson. Woohoo! Got some Pepsi Max. He said to me, do you want a drink? Do you want Pepsi Max? And I was like, do you know what? I will have one. Pepsi Max is an old friend of mine. I used to have it every single day and I literally haven't had it in ages. So yeah, we're gonna, I can't remember what we said, we're gonna be making pad thai, satay chicken and a soup as well. So excited, it's like proper Thai cooking and we've got a chef to show us what to do. So let's hope that we're capable.
And we don't embarrass ourselves.
We don't embarrass our country. Definitely looking the part with our aprons and our hats on. So we're just about to make, what's it called, Tom Yum Goong soup. got a bit carried away with putting the soup in. Mine looks so bad. Look at Elena's hers looks like a perfectly well presented one, and mine just... Oh god, well mine's gonna taste better anyway because it's got more spice in it. Ooh. Ooh. Guys, we're gonna make our favorite. This is what we've been eating pretty much every day in Thailand. We're gonna make some pad thai. Yay! And the final dish is pad thai. How is it? Is it amazing? I actually can't believe we've just cooked this. So we're just having a wild night in bed. Woo! We are such party animals. They've just delivered this plate of fruit to the room. I guess this is dessert. And we're just watching a film. It's about 9:30, so we'll probably go to bed because I want to get up early. We'll see you then. Good night. Mwah! Morning, guys. We've just come down to breakfast. I'm excited because apparently the breakfast here is amazing. Apparently there's so much choice. Oh my goodness, it's actually massive. Let me show you. So this is breakfast. Oh my goodness, look at this bread station. Honeycomb, we've got eggs over there, there's loads of fruit and healthy stuff through here. Oh my god, it's like a whole air conditioned room. Oh my god, donuts. Oh wow, okay, this is definitely the best breakfast we've had so far. Oh my god, they even have sushi. Sandwiches. I feel like we can eat lunch and breakfast all in one here. Round one of breakfast. Oh my goodness, they had like so much stuff on there. And they have a juice station. I'll go show you, it looks so cool, but I got fresh watermelon juice and yours is carrot? This is the juice station. We've got carrot, pineapple, cantaloupe and watermelon. Look how good this looks. Now for the fruit round. Feed the tiniest baby banana I have ever seen. So cute. This morning we are just chilling by the pool, down by the beach. We were only here for one night, so we're heading off to our new hotel this afternoon, which I'm so excited for. It's in a different part of Koh Samui. So we're gonna try and top up our tan, as we've only had like one tanning afternoon all holiday, and I need to go back and look like I'm not as white as I am. Arrived at the Intercontinental to this insane view in the lobby. Just having a little welcome drink and a cold towel. In the golf buggy on the way to our room. It's taken us this long to be in a golf buggy on holiday, and I feel like this is the perfect resort to be in it because it's so hilly. Guys, we just got to our room, which is a beach villa. I actually have no words. Like, this is, we've definitely saved the best till last. This place is honestly incredible. It is huge, and this room, okay, let me just show you because it's amazing. So this is the view as you come in. We've got like this little sideboard bit, and it has a phone. Like, we literally have a phone that tells you like what's going on and everything. I love, love, love the drinks and minibar cabinet. Like, look how cool that is. There's a wine fridge in there. And then we have a TV. This is like the little lounge area. And then outside we have a pool, some sun lounges. The beach is literally just there. And there's like a pool by the beach and everything. Insane. This is the room. Look at that bed. Oh my goodness me. We got some fruit, We've got a sofa, we've got a little elephant. Elena, we've got another little character. Oh, I love this. There's a little schedule because there's loads of like complimentary activities when you stay here, like yoga and all sorts. This bed, oh my goodness, it's got 3 pillows on it, and this is just stunning. Such high ceilings. And then, oh my goodness, wait for the bathroom. Look at the bath. It's like a jacuzzi. It's huge. So this is like the bath dressing room area. Me and Elena have a wardrobe each. We've got robes, we've got the toilet in there, we've got a sink each. Love, love, love the marble tops. And then a massive shower. Oh, just look at this. This is insane. But you guys, we also have an outdoor shower. So we have just come up to the club lounge by the lobby for some afternoon tea. The afternoon tea here looks so cute. They bring over in like a little hanging basket. Oh my goodness, it's so hot. I wanted to sit over by the view for a photo, but wow. Oh, that breeze is nice. What breeze? So we just got our afternoon tea. Look how cute this looks. Oh my goodness. So they bring it to you in this like, it's like a floating bird cage. And Elena went for an iced mint tea, and I've got a rose tea. And this is the view. Absolutely stunning. Groovy. So we just finished our afternoon tea, which was amazing. How nice was it? And the setting was just so beautiful. So we're now heading to the beach to take some pics. Guys, look how beautiful the beach is. And this is the beachfront restaurant. So there's a pool over there as well. And then, oh, it looks like everyone has the same idea. There's a private pier that you can walk along. Oh my goodness me. Look at this, guys. There's the resort up there. Just been sat here watching the sunset, which is just so beautiful. Like, this is what I'm gonna miss when I go home. Just watching. You're going home. Stop it! I'm so sad. Look, it's defocusing you. And now it is happy hour, so we're gonna go get some cocktails from the pool bar.
Guys, give us a thumbs up if you want me to steal Maddie's camera and continue the vlog.
Yeah.
You'll much rather watch that.
I'm sure you'd much rather watch like how to do Thailand on a budget. So somehow we managed to lock ourselves out of the room, aka we went out our like door to the pool that goes onto the beach and didn't bring a key, and when housekeeping came and turned down our room tonight, they locked the door. So me and Elena have just been sat outside in our towels waiting for someone to let us in. But I've just put the like radio thing on the TV, and it's playing some pretty vibey music. Actually, maybe let's turn it down so I can speak to you. We're both still really full from the afternoon tea, which was amazing. We just spent the evening like in the pool drinking cocktails, which is so lovely. And yeah, I just love this place so much. I just feel so like relaxed and happy and safe here. So yeah, I think we were gonna go to dinner, but I don't think we will now. I think we're literally just gonna have a bath and like eat some snacks because we're both really full, and it's like, I don't know what time it is. I think it's like 8, half 8 now. Okay, is it nice in there?
Oh, that's amazing.
I'm gonna come and join you. The bath is just draining behind me. It is about midnight. I always seem to stay up because of the time difference between the UK, and I want to like get my posts up at a suitable time, which is usually like the evening. So I'm just gonna get ready for bed. I need to cleanse my face and all of that. I'm so tired. I'm actually really hungry now. I might eat some snacks, midnight snacks. But I will see you in the morning for another beautiful day at Koh Samui.